In this video we will be looking at freeze panes in Excel. Freeze panes in Excel is beneficial because it allows users to keep specific rows or columns visible while scrolling, providing context and reference points, especially in large datasets or tables. Take a look at the worksheet on your screen. Scrolling up and down can make it difficult to track column headers. By selecting the area under the line you want to freeze, you may freeze all the lines above that line. To find the Freeze Panes option, click on the View tab. You can freeze the first column, top row, or freeze panes. When I click the Freeze Pane option, all the rows above will freeze. You may freeze columns and rows if you select a cell somewhere below the first row and somewhere to the right of the first column. Whenever a freeze is engaged, the Freeze Pane option on the far left can be clicked to disengage it. To use the top row option or the first column option, selecting a range is not needed. Thanks for watching this video. For articles related to Excel, see the link in the description.